Medinilla multiflora is a species of semi-epiphytic plant endemic to the Philippines. It is also known erroneously as the Malaysian orchid in the ornamental plant trade, but it is not an orchid and it is not native to Malaysia. The flowers begin in elongated sprays of small pink to lavender petals that gradually darken in color to shades of purple and then close to form a pendulous cluster of small berry-like nodules that hang among large, elongated, rough-textured, pointed leaves of medium moss to olive green. The bloom cycle takes several weeks to complete and appears frequently year-round. The berry, grape-like bloom structures are not edible. Easily grown in an rich, well-drained potting soil that is slightly acidic, prefers high humidity, keep container soils evenly moist but not soggy, reduce watering frequency during winter months in less temperate regions, overwinter in a warm sunroom or greenhouse in cooler winter regions. Malaysian orchid is a good companion plant for wandering Jew, begonias, and daylilies. You can also grow Malaysian orchid plants as houseplants, but many find that they make a better patio or greenhouse specimen due to their humidity requirements. If nothing else, giving your Malaysian orchid a summer vacation in a partially sunny spot outdoors will increase its vigor. An added bonus to growing Malaysian orchids outdoors is their appeal to birds, bees, and butterflies.